Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Notion for brand guidelines and asset tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Notion website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Continue. Check your email for a verification link from Notion. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, you will be directed to the Notion sign-up page. Fill out the required fields, including your name and desired password. Select your preferred workspace type or create a new one. After setting up your workspace, click Create Workspace. On the next screen, explore the options for templates. Search for brand guidelines and asset tracking templates. Select the template that best suits your needs. Add the template to your workspace by clicking Use this template. Customize the template according to your brand's specifications. Ensure to add your logos, color schemes, and typography guidelines. To track brand assets, navigate to the Assets section of your template. Upload images, videos, and other materials related to your brand. Organize the assets with tags for easy retrieval. Share your workspace with team members who need access. Adjust the permissions based on each team member's role. Regularly update the brand guidelines as your brand evolves. Utilize Notion's collaboration features for team input. Monitor and track the usage of assets for consistency. Explore Notion's additional tools to enhance your workflow. Stay engaged with ongoing updates and resources provided by Notion. Make the most of your subscription by leveraging the community forums. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.